Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the language on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to change the language on your watch, first you will need to open the settings, of course. To do it, press the crown button, then press it again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called preferences, and once you find it, select it. And here, look for the option called watch language, and once you find it, tap on it. And this will open the list of languages. You can scroll through the list, look for the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find the language on the list, you tap on it to select it, and after a few seconds, the language should be applied. And here we have it, it is applied now. Oh, my bad, let me bring back the Spanish so we can tell the difference. Like this, and if we go back, as you can see, the language is applied. You can also change the language through the phone application if you prefer it that way. And to do it, you grab the phone that is paired with your watch. On the phone that is paired with your watch, you need to open the ZEP application. That's the application that is used to pair the devices together. In the app, you go to device, scroll down and look for the device settings, tap on it, and here you find the device language, select it, and then select English and tap on OK. Rather, you don't need to select the English, my bad. You can select any language you want. I just selected the English because I want that. So select any language you like and then tap on OK to save it, and the language should be applied, as you can see. And that's how you change the language on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.